In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain in Hostinger using the 2025 updated tutorial. Whether you're building a new website, setting up a blog, or starting an online store, creating a subdomain can be an essential step. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Hostinger website and log into your account. If you're not already familiar with Hostinger, it's a popular web hosting service known for its user-friendly interface and reliable performance. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you want to focus your attention on the sidebar to your left. Look for the Domains option. It's your gateway to managing everything domain related. Go ahead and click on that. Moving forward, you'll see the Domain Portfolio option pop up. Click on it as well. This section is crucial as it lists all the domains you've registered with Hostinger. From the list of domains displayed, pinpoint the domain you want to create a subdomain for. When you find it, hit Manage next to that domain. This opens up a world of settings and configurations specific to that domain. Moving along, you need to navigate to the DNS FAS Nameservers tab. By accessing this, you're now in the heart of domain settings. Here is where you configure and manage various records, ensuring your domain functions correctly across the web. Once in the DNS settings, you'll see several options such as A, X, AAAA, name A, V, TXT, and CAA. It's important to understand that each of these plays a specific role in managing your domain's presence on the internet. To create a subdomain, select the name option. The name record allows you to link your subdomain to another domain, which is particularly useful if you want to connect it to an external service or server. Next, you'll need to enter the name for your subdomain. This is the prefix to your existing domain. For instance, if your domain is example.com and you enter blog as the name, your subdomain would be blog.example.com. Once you've set the name, locate the IP address field. This is where you need to enter the IP address you want your subdomain associated with. Enter the address accurately to ensure proper functionality. Finally, decide on the TTL, or time to live. This is simply the duration for which the information you've entered will be cached by your computer or server. A standard practice is to keep it to default unless you have a specific requirement. After filling in all these details, take a moment to review everything. Once satisfied, click on Add Record. Doing this saves your subdomain configuration to Hostinger's system. And you're all set. Congratulations! You've successfully created a subdomain on Hostinger. This new subdomain can now be used to host, differentiate content, and much more.